There is one money advantage sitting in front of every Indian and most never use it. You earn in dollars but you spend in rupees. And AI has made starting easier than ever. Here is the honest roadmap, no hype. $1,000 a month is an entry-level freelance income in the West. But add about 96 rupees to the dollar, that is roughly 96,000 rupees a month, a serious income in India. Same work, same hours. The currency does the heavy lifting. What sells to overseas clients? Three things. 1. AI content services, short-form clips, blogs, and social posts for busy brands. 2. AI automation, workflows and agents with tools like N8N. 3. AI-assisted freelancing, the writing, design, or code you already do, delivered 2 to 3 times faster. Where do these clients live? Start on Upwork and Contra for your first paid invoices and reviews. Post your work on LinkedIn and X so clients come to you. And do not skip cold outreach. 10 honest, specific emails a day beats sitting and waiting every time. Now the part nobody explains. To receive dollars, open a Wise or Payoneer account. They let you accept dollars and withdraw to your Indian bank in rupees. Invoice in dollars, keep the records. And this matters. Foreign income is taxable in India. Talk to a qualified CA about income tax, FEMA, and GST on export of services. Do it right from day one. Here is a realistic first year. Not overnight riches. Zero for the first few weeks while you build a portfolio and land that first client, then a steady climb toward about 96,000 rupees a month by month 12. What gets you up this curve is consistency, not luck. So do not wait. This week, pick one skill, open a Wise account, send 5 honest emails. The arbitrage is real, it is legal, and it is available today. If this helped, subscribe. More no hype AI and money breakdowns are coming.